I'm a bird, motherfucker. I'm a bird. Yeah.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.
Well, that was my first day of vlogging again. Well, since of this year. It's my first day of vlogging since this year. And I haven't vlogged much yet, but I did it.
Could I just say something?
Yeah?
I think you mean since last year. Not since this year. So, Piggy, what do you got to say about that, Noah?
You made me speechless, so you have to end this one. Or not. What? or I would do it with the hands. No, not with. He's looking like, what the fuck are you doing? He's looking so evil.
He's like, are you pointing that thing at me?
Don't point that thing at me.
You're there? See?
No, it's like, yeah, point it at me. Yeah. See, I'm all ready for it.
Up.
What?
Up.
What?
Up.
Good.
Love you, Noah.
What?
Love you. Funny.
You know, this was in my teeth, and the other one's stuck in my again. I'm just doing something boring. But that's my life at the moment. Just working and going to bed and working my feet. My feet need to be clean. I hear my Linda. I'm working my feet. What? I can't understand you.
I want to grab my camera bar and look at my camera bar.
I'm holding my button.
I thought like funny film. Where'd you? What the fuck?
I can't do it. What?
Buttons.
Oh, this is boring. You can do something and say something.
I don't know.
I'm just working my feet.
Bye. Yeah, I need to see what the dog's doing. On my sofa, chewing my stiff. Yeah. Someone's gagging in the bathroom. No, just someone's gagging in the bath. Putting his... I don't know why I'm making myself.
What? My glasses are wrong.
They're a bit wonky.
Oh. Yeah, now I promise to vlog more. So I'm just gonna do stupid stuff.
Stupid stuff's funny.
Yeah, I need to get out of bed at 5 o'clock.
I better let you sleep then. Don't steal my duvet.
I'm not snoring.
I come to bed and then half the duvet is just over there.
Over here.
You tuck it underneath yourself and you steal my pillow. Yeah, see, that's what I come to bed to. I dare. Except he's underneath it.
Yeah. But yeah. That's why I'm not vlogging that much. Because my life is working and sleeping. Good night.
Oh, that failed.
What?
Say it again.
I like Bob.
Dog's like, what? Where is he, Noah? Tax it. Noah, take it. You're not stupid. Read it. He's just looking at him behind the glass. Hello! Oh, hello. Don't mind me. I'm just exercising here. Oh, this is, yeah, very tiring work. Well, I would just like to say it's been a very good day today. Oh, num 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 num. Yes, good day today. Let you sleep. Anyway, or English. Would you like to say good night? Yes, good night.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.